off round 8. We see 2 make that 3 notes into blue, 2 or 3 into red. Heavy collision here in the center field. Las Gorillas against Frog Force. Intakes going in each other's robot. Las Gorillas going for a note that isn't there. Frog Force getting theirs from the center field. A race to get as many notes as possible. Blue pulls ahead out of the autonomous period, 36-26. 2 minutes 10 left in play. 6 notes scored in Auton for blue, 4 for red. Hammerheads feed a note over to that blue side for 503. Las Gorillas trying to steal, trying to get through under that blue stage. Instead, trying to grab up that blue stage in their intake. Robo-Stangs trying to launch a note from center field, hitting the stage, falling to the ground. But Blackhawks try to get it anyway. Robo-Stangs back at that red source trying to collect a note as Hammerheads flub another over into the blue amp area. 8280, that's K9.0, playing some defense in the red passing area, trying to prevent those red alliances to get access to their source. Heavy collision over on blue, 8280 and 226, as Hammerheads grab a note and try to feed it over again. Robo-Stangs doing the same. A close match here with 1:20 left in play. 2 points separating these two alliances, make that 3. Blues in a narrow lead, 43-40. 503 ready to amplify, launches one right out of the field, but they've got more piled up. Red is amplified. Blackhawks launch another in. Red gains the lead, 50-43. 503 has a note. They're lining up. Hammerheads help them out. Blue is amplified with 1 amplified note. 28-34, the Bionic Blackhawks putting one in that red amp so they can amplify again. Some pinning action going on over here by the scoring table as Hammerheads grab another note and try to launch it in that blue speaker. Blue regaining the lead, but red not far behind, still only 2 points with 40 seconds left in play. Hammerheads feeding as much as possible. Blue has 1 note in the ramp. Red is amplified as Blackhawks put one in, make that 2 as they go for it. Can they get it? Nope, it flubs out onto the ground. Las Gorillas smashed up intake, trying to grab a note. Their 4-bar is D-barred. Hammerheads launch another note over. 503 just has to get it. They're ready to amplify as we enter our endgame period. 3 points make that 5, separating these two alliances. Anything could happen. Any of these teams can stay afloat. Another note amplified into red. Red trying to widen that lead, and they do. 1 robot up on blue as we end our match. The endgame points could determine the outcome of this match. Blue up by 2 before endgame points counted. They have 1 hang, they have 1 park. Red has 1 park. Let's see what happens. Scores. We've got scores. For round 2, match 8. The Blue Alliance stays afloat. That's Alliance 3 in a 5-point lead, staying in the upper bracket. We'll see Alliance 7 again in round 3, match 10. They aren't done.